Today, we will go over the long sound of the letter A. The long sound of the letter A sounds like A, A. This is the word play. Play uses the long A sound. Play. This is the word cake. The word cake uses the long A sound. Cake. This is the word snail. The word snail uses the long A sound. Snail. This is the word ace. The word ace uses the long A sound. Ace. This is the word say. The word say also uses the long A sound. Say. This is the word bake. The word bake also uses the long A sound. Bake. This is the word wait. The word wait uses the long A sound. Wait. This is the word chase. The word chase uses the long A sound. Chase. This is the word may. The word may is another word that uses the long A sound. May. This is the word lake. The word lake also uses the long sound of the letter A. Lake. This is the word male. The word male is another word that uses the long sound of the letter A. Male. This is the word ape. The word ape also uses the long sound of the letter A. Ape. These were just a few words that use the long sound of the letter A. I know you can think of some more.